The Time Travelers. Emma, a curious history student, stumbles upon an antique shop hidden in a London alley. In the back, she discovers an ancient clock ticking loudly. Before she can fully examine it, a figure named Dr. Aiden emerges, inviting her on a journey through time. As Emma hesitates, he says with a knowing smile, "History is waiting for you." In an instant, Emma finds herself tumbling through time with Dr. Aiden. Emma and Dr. Aiden arrive in a small village during the 1600s, devastated by the plague. Villagers fear one another, avoiding any contact to survive. Dr. Aiden introduces Emma to Agnes, a healer cast out by villagers but secretly treating the sick. Emma sees Agnes's compassion and learns about her herbal remedies. With Dr. Aiden's guidance, they convince villagers to trust Agnes, allowing her to save many lives. Emma begins to understand the power of courage and kindness even in dark times. Their next stop is Renaissance Italy, a period bursting with art, science, and innovation. Emma and Dr. Aiden befriend Leonardo, a young painter whose talent is overlooked due to his humble background. They encourage him to showcase his art in a local competition where his skill finally gains recognition. As Emma witnesses Leonardo's growth, Dr. Aiden reminds her true talent finds a way even in a world of obstacles. Emma and Dr. Aiden land in Paris at the height of the French Revolution. The city is tense and they meet Etienne, a young revolutionary ready to fight violently for change. Dr. Aiden and Emma have a difficult conversation with him, sharing the cost of violence and encouraging him to advocate for unity. Etienne decides to pursue peaceful protest, sparing many lives and altering his fate. Emma realizes the importance of hope over hatred. Emma and Dr. Aiden travel to a futuristic Earth facing an invasion from the Daleks. Emma recognizes the scene from her favorite show, Doctor Who. Inspired by the Doctor's methods, Dr. Aiden uses clever diplomacy to communicate with the Daleks, finding a way to protect Earth. Emma learns that every era, even a future one, has its challenges, and that intelligence and empathy can often solve problems better than force. They travel to 1960s America during the Civil Rights Movement. Dr. Aiden takes Emma to meet Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., who speaks to them about his dreams for equality and justice. Emma feels his powerful words resonate within her, especially his belief in peaceful resistance. She realizes that true courage often lies in standing up for what is right, even if it means facing prejudice and opposition. Emma and Dr. Aiden arrive in 19th century Manchester, England, in the midst of the Industrial Revolution. They meet a young factory worker named Sam, struggling with terrible working conditions. Emma feels deeply for him, and she and Dr. Aiden inspire Sam to speak up about the unfair treatment, eventually helping him rally other workers to demand safer conditions. Emma sees how bravery can inspire change even against powerful forces. Their next journey takes him to Alexandria, Egypt, at the time of the famous library. Emma meets a young scholar, Alia, who's trying to protect knowledge from destruction. Together with Dr. Aiden, they hide valuable scrolls, ensuring that some ancient wisdom survives the imminent attack. Emma learns the importance of preserving knowledge, realizing that stories from the past help guide future generations. In the middle of a medieval battlefield, Emma and Dr. Aiden meet Sir Rowan, a knight torn between loyalty to his king and a desire for peace. They help him deliver a letter proposing a truce, saving countless lives. Emma learns from Sir Rowan that peace often requires greater bravery than war. She understands that history is shaped by those who dare to see harmony over conflict. Emma and Dr. Aden visit Berlin on November 9th, 1989, the night the Berlin Wall falls. The city buzzes with joy as people from both sides reunite. Emma speaks to Anya, a young woman who finally reunites with her family after years of separation. Witnessing this historic moment, Emma realizes that freedom is precious and often hard won. Dr. Aden reminds her, the desire to be together is stronger than any barrier. They travel back to the 1600s and meet Galileo, on trial for supporting the revolutionary idea that the Earth orbits the Sun. Emma feels inspired by Galileo's dedication to the truth, even in the face of danger. Dr. Aden and Emma quietly encourage Galileo, reminding him of the importance of his discoveries. Emma learns that knowledge is often resisted, but that truth finds its way over time. Back in the present, Emma feels deeply changed. Each era, each figure, and each lesson has expanded her understanding of humanity. She looks at Dr. Aden, grateful for the journey. Before disappearing, he tells her, history isn't just dates and events, it's the people who believed in something bigger. With that, he leaves her, and Emma returns to her studies with a renewed purpose, ready to carry forward the lessons she learned across time. Emma dedicates her life to teaching history, inspiring others with the stories of courage, knowledge, and compassion she encountered. Though her journey through time is over, the lessons she learned continue to guide her, reminding her that each of us has the power to shape history.